The playground was all flooded. The water had nowhere to go, so we put in 3 drainage boxes like this so they come from the mulch out. This is safety for the children. This is so the children can't put stuff in, get hurt, trip, fall. Maintenance is for safety of the children, so we're here for the children.
He loves to find a solution for whatever problem, and it works out very nice that we can assist the director with superintendent board level issues. The solving of the problem just draws him in like moth to light and generally comes up with the solution. He's saving the district just in irrigation, tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of dollars.
It was a situation that arose, so we found a solution to a situation. So when it comes time to level out the dirt, we can give it proper grade, no lumps, bumps, and hump in it. Kids can put new sneakers on and say, look how fast I run, and not trip and fall.
Happy Maintenance Worker Appreciation Day to our dedicated maintenance team. Your work often happens behind the scenes, and many times it happens after hours. You play a crucial part in the daily operations of our schools and offices, both in your regular work and in handling urgent situations. You help create a better, safer, and more efficient workplace for our students and staff. Thank you again for all that you do.